Hello, Greg. I will introduce you to the tests to create product management. I used every tech stack and tools in article mentioned and done every business requirement and some enhancement. Firstly, let me show the function presentation. We can click this button to load products. Then we can search products by title like this. And we can sort it by ID or title. And delete some record. Before deleted, it has a double check. And this is a pagination function. You can change pages conveniently. If you want to add a new product, you can fill in this title. The type is optional. Let's add another new one with type. So that's all about front-end page presentations. Let me introduce tech stack and explain code for you. I use the Cloud Code write a simple document. You can see the JVM version, Kotlin version, and so on. The JVM distribution is GraalVM, and I also use the JDBC template because JDBC client doesn't support batch update, and there are database and front-end technologies and versions. You can also see the implementation timeline about this whole project. Before code explanation, let's view the project structure. This is standard Springboard project structure. SRC puts Kotlin codes and resources puts static resources and front-end codes. The JDBC config contains JDBC template and JDBC client because I use the JDBC template for batch update. The beginning of this controller are some routers for Zimleaf to jump page. When input keywords to search something, it will request the interface, query database, and put results in page and rendering how page when returned to front end. This interface is for getting products list similar like last, but increased some logic about pagination and sort. So there are edit and update product interface. This is deleted interface. Actually, in the production environment, we should transactional to promise clean clean data in our database. Here are DTO and model and repository. They are simple and not other logic, so we can jump it. This is the core service when the application is started. This service can pull data from remote interface and save data to our database. I also create products and variant IDs cache to compare new added products from remote URL response JSONs. Actually, this find all methods should be replaced with specific methods like find all product ID methods, because we just use the data product ID. Here is just for repeat use exist methods, and I don't create the new methods. Use fixed delay to run every hour and initial delay to start immediately. And the bottom of this method is simply save data and change cache. Save data and change cache. In the data migration recorded 3 versions about the data tables change. Firstly, I created a table. Don't have create database sentence because I already created database use the console. I found that I forgot to add time clones, so I added alter table sentence and added a trigger to get a similar function with MySQL auto update time. Then create an index for search product's title. Next part is front end. Actually, it should be separated CSS, JavaScript, and HTML, but it's just a simple function, so I put them together. This is edit from HTML. The label which start with HX is use the HTMX component, and SL button is use the show like UI component. When you click the button to submit this form, it will send a post request to the backend interface, then get the result and how to reload the web page HTML. The product table and search results page use the table layout to show results, and they are very similar to the last thing, just added from HTML. Only added some CSS value properties and functions. Let's jump at this. Include index HTML and search HTML. By the way, I used Gemini client to write a Python script to double check how many products JSON contains products? The answer is also 30. That's why I initially thought there were thousands of pieces of data, but only 30 pieces of data were stored in the database. You can say there are only 30 rows data in our database. And now I add a new one. This new. That's all about my presentation. I'm looking forward to working with your team. And if you need to review the code again, I can push it to GitHub. Else, if you want to preview and operate the live demo, I can also deployment it online. I changed the ports. So use the HTTP client to test the URL. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Append the model about edit product. Have a nice day. Bye.